Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is October the 30th, 2023, and we're looking at our mulberry trees. These guys are starting to get kind of tall. This is what we want. We want some establishment. If you look at the trunks, the base, they're doing pretty good. Now, what I can do is I can literally cut any of these off and start to multiply them or propagate them, but I'm not going to do that. I want these guys to get taller. Going forward, I may offer these for sale, these cuttings online. I'm not sure. Now that's just a regular mulberry. You see how big the leaves are? This is a Thai dwarf mulberry. These don't start to produce fruit until March and April. Here we are in October. So hopefully when March and April come, they produce fruit. But I don't know. We're kind of just observing. We're just watching and waiting to see what happens. I see these little, if you look in here, you can see something's going on there, right? Something. So maybe they'll produce into the fall. I'm not sure. I don't really know what to expect because we're Florida zone 10A and 9B. So plants get confused in this zone very easily. Sometimes they produce twice a year. So it's really weird. You just never know what to expect with these guys. Look at this one over here. It's doing exceptionally well. I'm definitely going to be propagating these guys if they produce heavily. But I'm not going to do that until next year because I'm just not convinced yet that they're heavy producers. I haven't seen it. They haven't come to a mature enough stage in their growth progress for me to be able to observe any type of real success, if you understand what I'm saying. And we're going over here to the corner of the house where there's another one right there. That's the Thai dwarf mulberry, and this one is growing just fine, just like the others. So hopefully going forward they are heavy producers. If they are, you're going to see me propagate the heck out of these guys. Anyhow, folks, if you want to stay updated on the progress, just follow, subscribe, whatever you got to do. Thumbs up, hit the like button. That'll help the channel out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. And that'll help you out because then you'll be able to monitor our progress and learn what to do and what not to do when it comes to these Thai dwarf mulberries here in Florida. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.